Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of the Pro Series LED taillights with jet black housings and smoked lenses, fitting your 09 to 12 Ram and 13 to 18 Ram without the factory LED taillights. These are perfect for the Ram owner who wants to upgrade their taillights to an LED and wants a modern design with a smoked lens as well. These taillights do feature LED brake lights, running lights, and turn signals, and being an LED, they will outlast the life of your factory halogen bulbs. These taillights add some aftermarket style to the back of your truck with the LED accent bars, bright LED brake lights, and they reuse your reverse bulb for ease of install. They are constructed from smoked polycarbonate lenses with jet black housings that are weather sealed to keep out dust and moisture, and these taillights are DOT and SAE approved, meaning they're legal for on-road use. So as far as price goes, these taillights come in at around $325 for the pair, putting them about middle of the road price-wise when compared to other options. And for your money, you're getting an LED taillight with modern smoked styling and LED accent bars. And as far as the install goes, I'm giving this one a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches. It does feature direct bolt-up and plug-and-play install that can be done within an hour. So with that said, let's check out the install. For this install, we used an impact gun, but a regular hand ratchet will work just fine. You'll also need a T25 Torx socket. So our first step in the uninstall with the tailgate down, what we're gonna do is grab a T25 Torx socket and remove the 2 bolts on the inside of the taillight. And now that the bolts on the inside are removed, you can grab the taillight and pull it straight back towards you. Once it is released, you can unplug both of the factory connectors, pull back on the red tab, press down, and remove it. There's a connector on the bottom as well. Press down on that black tab and remove the connector. Now you can remove the taillight. Now before we can install our new taillight, we do need to transfer over both of these sockets as well as the reverse bulb. What we're gonna do is twist out that reverse bulb and socket. Be sure not to touch that bulb as the oils from your fingers can damage it. Line up the bulb as well as the socket in your new taillight. And twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Now we're gonna repeat that with this bulb up here. Go ahead and twist it out counterclockwise. We're actually gonna grab this bulb and set it aside. We will not be reusing it. Line it up to the connector on your new taillight. And go ahead and twist it clockwise in place. Now what we're gonna do is line up the connector on the bottom one and press it into place. And repeat that for your top connector. Once they're both in place, go ahead and line up the taillight. You'll see 2 plastic clips on the side, and then press it into place. Now grab that factory hardware, go ahead and thread it into your new taillight. Then grab your T25 Torx socket, go ahead and tighten it down. Repeat that on the bottom mounting point. And keep in mind, if you are using an impact tool like we are, just be careful not to over tighten. All right, now that we have our factory taillight uninstalled from our truck, we can check it out side by side with our new taillight here. Now, as you can see, the biggest difference is the design of the new taillight. It features a more modern black styling, which is a nice change from the red of your factory, and it also features LED technology, which is a nice upgrade from those factory halogen bulbs. So, with that said, go ahead and repeat all of those steps to install your driver's side taillight. All right, and now that your driver's side taillight is installed, that's gonna do it for the review and install of these taillights. And remember, for all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.